This is our Neoweld. This is the junction. Okay, so you have the media in the back side and the media in the front side. Okay, you put one to the other one. Okay, the first time you press, the machine goes down for safety, so you still have the possibility to remove the media. Then you press one more time the pedal, the machine starts to weld. Now you see the temperature going up, going down. That's the cooling times. It's really important for the welding junction. Shortly, we will see the results of the welding.